How to turn on eye protection in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can turn on eye protection in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all you have to do is open up settings in your Windows 11. For that, simply search from your search bar. Once you search it, you will land on your settings page. Now from here you have to get to System by clicking on this System option from your left hand side. Now under System you have to get to Display at the very first option. Click on it. Now under Display at the first section there is a brightness option, and under that there is a night light. So to turn on eye protection, all you have to do is turn on your night light. For that, click on this toggle right here. And there you can see the night light has been turned on to protect your eyes. Or if you like to set it for a certain timer, you can simply click on this night light and you will get to this settings page. Now under the settings, there is an option as schedule night light. So to schedule the time, first of all you have to turn on this toggle. After that, you will have an option to choose one from this option, such as sunset to sunrise, that is from 5:49 to 5:58 a.m. If you would like to set in hours, you can simply select the second option and you can choose according to your preferences. You can set up the timing for turn on and turn off. Or if you would like to simply go with the first option, you can go with that, and then here it is turned on. Now if you would like to customize or you would like to change the strength of this night light, you can use this slider given here. You can simply slide it to make it more darker or to make it more lighter from this slide bar. So this is the way to turn on eye protection in Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you on next video.